Welcome back. We've got another morning crew member joining us with one of her Thanksgiving recipes, Abby Nielsen, our social media intern, and making us those fun TikToks in the morning.
Yeah.
I said, we need gravy, and she responded with yes. Thank you so much for coming in this morning, Abby.
Yeah, thanks. Like, I'm always down to make a dish. I'm always been the cook of the family, so.
Okay. Now, I pretty much forced gravy on you this morning, but what are some of your favorite Thanksgiving dishes?
Oh, I like the classics. It's, the turkey, the mashed potatoes, and like all the casseroles, like hash brown casserole and green bean casserole.
Okay. So you've prepared your gravy in a crock pot. Did you start it in the crock pot, or is that just for storage and transport?
That's just for storage and keeping it warm.
Okay.
So you just have to so you start in a pan. You get your butter, you melt all your butter, you put in your flour, you make a paste, and once that's there, you slowly add in your beef stock, and then you just season it with onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and then you just let it boil and let it thicken up. That's it.
Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at your gravy. I know it's hard to see in the crock pot, but it is a beautiful brown gravy. Yummy. That's going to go really well on that turkey.
Yeah.
Which I just checked the turkey, and it's ready to go. So we'll be opening that up in our next segment, sharing that.
Nice.
Maybe talking Chris into carving it. So you're actually from the four-state area, correct?
Yeah, I'm from Joplin, Missouri.
Okay. So do you get to go home for Thanksgiving then?
I do. It's only like a 30-minute commute from where I live.
Yeah.
So it's easy to go and see my family and just hang out with them for as long as I want.
So after this morning, they're probably going to request that you bring gravy.
Yeah, I usually get roped into doing most of the cooking.
Really?
Yeah. Cool. It's just slowly passed down to me, and I guess it's my turn for Thanksgiving.
Okay. All right. Well, we want to pitch this over to Chris here for a minute for a quick look at the weather, and then when we come back from the break, it's time for the turkey.
All right.